In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a backlink audit of a website using Semrush. A backlink audit helps you understand which sites link to yours, spot risky links that could harm your rankings, and protect your domain's reputation. We'll walk through starting the audit, reading the results, and handling toxic links carefully and effectively. First, log into your Semrush account. On the left panel, hover over the SEO section with the search icon and select Backlink Audit. When the page loads, you'll see a search field. Type in your domain exactly as you want it analyzed, typically the main version of your site, and click Start Backlink Audit. Semrush will begin crawling and analyzing your backlink profile. If your site has a lot of links, this process can take some time, so be patient. Next, wait for the audit to finish. You'll receive an email notification once it's done, and then you can review the results. On the overview screen, you'll see the site's overall toxicity score, along with a breakdown of toxic, potentially toxic, and non-toxic backlinks. This score is an at-a-glance indicator of risk based on signals like spammy domains, suspicious anchor text, or irrelevant link sources. Lower is better. Start by scanning the toxic links, since they pose the highest risk, and then move to the potentially toxic category to verify whether those links truly look suspicious or are simply low quality but harmless. Open a few examples to spot patterns, such as links from obvious spam directories or unrelated auto-generated pages. Finally, handle bad backlinks methodically. Inside Backlink Audit, identify the clearly toxic links you want to address. Your first move should be outreach. Try to remove them by contacting the site owner or webmaster, asking politely for the link to be deleted. Include the exact URL on their site that contains the link, as well as the page on your site it points to. Keep your message concise, professional, and specific, and allow some time for a response. Track your outreach attempts so you know what's been handled. If outreach doesn't work, use disavow as a last resort. Only disavow links that are clearly harmful and unlikely to be removed. In Backlink Audit, add those URLs or entire domains to your disavow list. Export the file and upload it to Google Search Console using the disavow tool. Be conservative. Over-disavowing can hurt your site by cutting off legitimate authority. After you've taken action, revisit the backlink audit periodically to monitor your toxicity score and ensure your backlink profile stays healthy over time. Consistency here helps maintain stable rankings and protects your site from future issues.